Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of LBM LBM GLP-1 Nano Microneedle patch. So this is basically a slimming and a body sugar sport pad that will help you out to lose your weight, and as per advertised on their official website, you can see it is a weight loss and skin firming, and it is clinically certified and made in USA. So it is 100% risk free what they are seeing on their official websites, and they are providing an insane discounts of like more than 60%. So this is a concerning thing about this platform. So now let's dive in and find out if this product is actually worth buying. As you can see, once I tried searching for this product on Amazon, I got to know like this product is also available on Amazon, but the rating is pretty much really bad. As you can see, it has a 2.4 rating out of 5 stars, and it is only based on 4 reviews, which means these 4 reviews can also be someone from their own company. So the reviews are very much not satisfying, and I tried searching for the reviews on any other website and I got to know like this product is not what as they're advertising, and it is pretty much a scam, so you should avoid purchasing it. And another concerning thing and the major red flag about this platform is that once I tried searching for the domain information of their official website, I got to know it was registered on 31st October. So this is literally just 5 days ago. So based on these information, I would say like this product is pretty much a scam and you should avoid purchasing this item. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.